Welcome to Entertain Club. Look what happens if you put a couple of Skittles on a plate and then put hot water over the Skittles. It will create some wonderful art. Watch this cat jump into its bed like any human would do. If you ever want to make your banknotes smile, just fold them down the middle like so. This is the front door of a house in Greece. Meet Porter, the world's first driving dog. This goose is going to feed the fish. This bear and her two cubs were following a hiker in Alaska.
The mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Eventually, the bears stopped following the hiker. All they wanted was to go to the river. Meet Einstein, the talking parrot.
Are you famous? All right. How about some animal sounds? Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? Can you do a horse? Good. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Can you do a cat? How about a dog? Can you bark? Fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Can you do water? How about a knock at the door? Can you help me start the car? Einstein, can you help me call the dogs?
Come here, come here, come here.
Good. What do you say it's time to go?
Bye.
Bow, 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 bow.
I hope you liked this video and made you smile. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you soon.